Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. We've got something a little different today. We are doing an unboxing video. We live in a wonderful time of affordable action cameras that can produce some crystal clear video footage. And this Iconntechs before me is known to be one such camera. In this video I'll be focusing on how good the Iconntechs is as a dash camera or a helmet camera, just to back you up in a worst case situation, or just to generally record footage and show your friends that epic wheelie you pulled off. It's time to crack this bad boy open. Here we go, waterproof housing, come out. Here we go, it's a nice little tidy unit that is. Oh, we've got menu navigation buttons. That's nice. It's usually a pain navigating the menus on these things. It has a nice little display on the back. Lets you know what's going on at all times. That lens offers a 170-degree field of view. It's the perfect field of view. Whoops. Perfect field of view in my opinion. This camera has Wi-Fi features, so you can connect your smartphone up to it and live view what your camera is pointing at, and you can also check what's on the SD card via your phone. I'm not going to bore you guys with all the little features. I mean, we've got 1080p 60 frames a second, which is an all-important one. We also have 4K at 25 frames and 2.7K at 30 frames. Alright, enough playing around, let's strap this bad boy to my lid.
Oh, that might explain it. That might be why. Oh god, well, that might pop out. Just might. Go left.
What do I think of the Iconntechs? It's all in all, it's a good camera. I've dropped it a few times, nothing's broken on it. It does what it says on the tin. As you saw, the video footage was pretty good, I would say. One downside is it doesn't have a external microphone, so you cannot run a microphone into your helmet with this, to my understanding. But did you hear it capture my voice when I was talking about the van that had fallen over? That was recorded while it was inside the waterproof housing. It managed to pick my voice up pretty well. That was quite amazing. The Iconntech comes with a boatload of accessories to help you out in almost every situation you can imagine. Waterproof housing with the menu buttons on the side. Velcro strap. Handlebar mount. Extra battery. That is a tripod mount. Another tripod mount, but it's got an adhesive at the bottom. Looks like a shirt clip. Lots of arms. This one comes with a remote control. You can take a photo or record straight away, no messing around. It works straight out of the box. If you're interested in grabbing one of these cameras, check out the Amazon link in the description. You'll be buying directly from the manufacturers, and there will be a €10 discount for a limited time. Thank you for watching, guys, and ride safe.